You caught me. I was just getting ready to write my numbers. Do you know how to write your numbers? This week in math, we're going to be learning about numbers in order. We call that sequential order. And we're going to start with the number zero. And I think zero is a hero because zero looks a lot like a letter I know. Do you know what letter zero looks like? What? Oh, yeah, the letter O. I'm going to put it on my board really big. See if you can follow me. Maybe get your wipe off board out and you can write it along with me. Oh, it looks just like the letter O. Wait a minute, it also looks like a shape I've been learning about. Zero looks like a triangle? No. Zero looks like a circle. So zero is a number and it means, put your hands together like this and go like this out. It means nothing. That means it doesn't make any amount. How many erasers do I have? That's right, one. Hmm. How many erasers do I have now? That's right, two. But zero doesn't mean two, and it doesn't mean one. It actually means nothing. So if I was going to make a picture to show a set of how many zero means, I think I would make a box like this, and I would leave it blank with nothing in it. But my next number that I'm going to learn about is the number one. So I'm going to say number one is fun. Straight down, it's done. And I know that number one, that looks a lot like a letter I know too. This is so confusing. Zero looks like an O, and one looks like what does it look like to you? That's right, a lowercase l. This is tricky stuff. When we're talking about number one, it looks just like a lowercase l, but actually it doesn't mean, oh, like an L. It means one thing. It could be one eraser, it could be one marker, it could be one person. One just means one. So I'm going to draw on this box one thing. What should I draw? I think I'll draw stars today. One star, one. What was this number again? That's right, zero. We're going to do one more number today, and I'm going to make a comma, and I'm going to add my number really big here. See if you can write it with me. It's number. What comes after one? Two. That's right. And I do two this way. Around and back on a railroad track. Toot toot. And you know what two means. Two doesn't look like any letter to me, so it's not a little bit confusing. But two means two things. I have two erasers. I might have two markers. Are there two of me? No, there's still only one of me. I need to find my twin. Twins mean two, right? So I have to draw a box showing a set of two. What does two mean? I started out with stars. I didn't draw any here because this is the number zero and it means nothing. But number one thing, one star, I'm going to make two for two. Two stars. One, two. And you can create your own sets and match up your number also. You can keep on going. We'll come back another day. I think I don't have much more time left today, so I'm going to finish off with number three. One, two, three. That just brings me to thinking. Do you know how to draw a star yet? I'm going to show you before we go because I remember when I was a kindergarten student, I always wanted to know how do you even draw a star? That's really hard. So before I erase them, let's say them together. 0, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see if you can draw a star with me. I'm going to erase my board. Get your marker ready. Have a wipe off board at home. So a star is going to go up down. Now this is the tricky part. That looks kind of like the letter A, doesn't it? Do you see this part right here in the center? It's going to go over past that. So I put my finger here and I move my marker past that line. Keeps on going. Then I stop. I'm going to look over at this line, put my finger in the middle. I'm going to draw over to my finger all the way over. I'm stopping. Do you see this line down here? It's going to connect to that one now. Oh, I think magical things are going to happen like stars in the sky in kindergarten. Have a great day.